No, George turned the van. And the van's way bigger than this.
What?
Oh my God. Look, there's fucking bogs everywhere. Like seriously, how much farther is it?
Quite a while.
I can't remember exactly, but it was a lot further than that.
I need to turn like yesterday.
You're steaming up as well.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we stressing out here. Gonna have a fucking ween in a minute. I'm fucking blacking.
What are we doing, man?
What are we doing? I'm listening to you fucking dicks. That's what I'm doing.
I said nothing.
I don't even know where's the path anymore. Where is the
I didn't
path?
say nothing.
Oh, it's too hot. Jake, window.
It doesn't work. It's broken. Stupid packy.
Oh my God, that was a bomb.
Oh man. Come here.
I'm trying.
Oh, I'm trying.
Oh, I'm trying. Yeah. Bring everyone out with flashlights. Get the man and rescue up here. Right, I can see like a cliff or something. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this is really bad.
What are we doing?
You fucking sitting out here!
He did.
Tell me what you're doing.
He did, not me. We all did.
Looks like it's
We
getting
all
scared.
did.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, man. Right, it must be closed.
The Kia bus is
Yeah, but it's so overgrown.
Fucking better be close.
It's so overgrown, it's going to be so hard to see.
What, the turning point?
Yeah.
Oh no.
But George did turn the...
That wasn't good.
Oh no, but what have you done?
What? Fuck off, I'm not just taking the blame for
I
that.
told him to come along with you.
So did
What
you.
did not?
Everyone was like, yeah, let's go to Corey.
There or not.
Mate, subframing. Right, who's on sub watch?
What do you want us to do?
Oh,
I don't know, Scott. I don't know what to do. Just swimming.
stop making me laugh, please.
Okay, try
Right, this
again,
bit
no?
looks like we can turn on.
Can I turn here? Can I fucking
I
turn
think
here?
that's maybe
Yeah,
better.
that is the turn spot. I wouldn't go down there.
Do you want to get out and no, or stop? Oh,
It's looking well good there.
No, it does look better there. It looks a lot better.
Oh no.
I can reverse up if shit goes.
Can you?
Can you?
Probably not, no. Scott, you can reverse up.
I think that was maybe
Almost
the
like-
turning bit.
Oh, you fucking nugget. Go back.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I can't see anything at the moment.
Goes up for, it goes up for days.
Put your rear.
We got a lot of steam here.
Yeah, it's off the top. I think that was really difficult. I literally failed your floor push-ups.
This is the
I hope nothing important is going down my side of the floor.
brake pipes that are about to explode. Nothing important. I don't know where to turn, Jake!
Don't stop!
Oh, I was waiting for the second bit of that. That wasn't enough.
Not anymore.
I'm turning a bit right here. I wish my eyes were.
That's not cooling.
You're not helping, Schneeb!
Go, back pedal, go!
I think the bomb was the first
We
time we
went too
came
fast.
flying through it.
Yeah. Right, there was no more like.
Yeah, I think there was. Yeah.
Here?
Yep.
No. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, the poor Kia.
There's the field depleting rapidly.
Yeah, it is actually. Not to alarm anyone.
How's the old temperature guys?
Don't fucking have one.
Alright, it's just got a light saying it's too late.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. You're
Pretty
fucked.
much. This bit was alright.
Yeah, but a bit of hillside.
Ah, okay, real good.
No, we weren't up that cliff.
Yeah.
What does this do?
So it was mission accomplished, really.
Poor Kia.
Okay, the track's getting narrower. We're actually on a footpath. I don't like it here. Laugh on the edge.
I don't like
It's fucking thinking outside the car. It looks like you've been up on
Yeah, no, it was like 50.
Right. Run me over this bit. Don't suggest.
Just,
don't see,
just
don't see.
Oh, wait.
Oh, me bumper! Me bumper!
It's probably gonna come off.
Shut up!
Is the fuel cell depleting?
No, it's alright.
You're on the light.
I think I'm more concerned about coolant right now.
That would be the fuel
Pretty
pipe.
sure-
Worst, it would be a disaster.
I'd rather run out of diesel than run out of engine. Oh, stop in a bog, that's smart.
I'd rather.
Right, I haven't enjoyed my drink yet.
Yeah, but enjoy.
Well, a fucking great time to have a drink.
Fucking well parked.
Nice view though.
What do we? It's getting good now. No? That was famous last words.
It's getting good.
What fucking
Just
dildo.
as you started speaking up.
Yeah.
Good dude.
I thought it was a lot shorter than this.
That's because we went down a different one.
You what? We're going to fucking Kildare now.
Track Kildorn's better than this.
That's fucking right it is. Why did we not get there? Oh. Ah, shut up. We need some air through the radiators. Any'll do.